Let's be honest folks, sometimes it all just comes down to money. And temporarily, YouTube seems to have lost all of yours.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
Nobody ever tells you have to pick up all of this rubbish after you've used that gun. Hello, I'm Rob and welcome back to vidIQ, the YouTube tool and channel that aims to educate you on your YouTube journey. And today, we're going to take you on a small little ad revenue situation that YouTube seem to find themselves in. You're going to have to pick all of these up again, Rob. Stop doing it. If you check out Twitter right now and search for the term YouTube revenue, it is a stream of panicked consciousness. People freaking out that their AdSense revenue on YouTube has flatlined. And from my own personal experience, I can indeed confirm this. On my old tech channel that still brings in revenue, we can see that the monetization stickman has made a terrifying leap of faith into who knows what. So what's going on here? Has there been a mass round of channel demonetizations and YouTube's not told anyone, or have loads of advertisers pulled out because of yet another scandal? Well, it's a lot more simple than that. Something's broken. As we've already established in the Classic Studio, ad revenue has flatlined, and in the Beta Studio, we see this data fog of war, and right now there's no indication as to why this is. However, if you go to the Creator Studio mobile app, you do get a little more information. I'm sure this is a message you have often seen from YouTube when there are data delays, and this is currently saying that ad revenue data is a few days behind. And if you search long enough on Twitter, you will find responses from Team YouTube about this situation. So I don't think there's anything to be concerned about here too much. It will get fixed before it ever comes to the point of paying you out. However, I do have one major gripe about all of this, and it's all to do with communication. Because you see, YouTube have this new Creator Studio which they are all encouraging us to use, and they've set up this dedicated known YouTube issues section which I've championed in the past. Unfortunately, right now the only thing it's telling us is wrong with YouTube is something to do with shelves and playlists on official artist channels, which only affects a handful of people. This ad revenue situation, on the other hand, has been around for a few days and YouTube still haven't used their centralized communication system to tell us all what's going on. Now I know exactly what's going to happen here. As soon as I click the publish button, YouTube will update the known issues section, so cheers, thank you very much for that. You'll get the data soon, you'll get paid when you're expected to get paid. YouTube, just carry on improving your communication. Oh, and one more thing, the reality of using this gun is just not very sexy at all.